Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. I hope you're having a great week. We are actually in the middle of a snowstorm right now in Oklahoma, so we are hunkered down and just enjoying a slower pace. So I have something a little bit different planned for you today. I am doing basically like an unboxing. I got a new Nordstrom package in, and usually when I do fashion hauls, I have them all planned out. I have a bunch of different outfits and then I style them and all that good stuff. But I literally just ordered a bunch of random things, and then I thought, I wonder if people would like to see just what I ordered from Nordstrom this past month, and I thought I would open those with you and share them. So it's a completely random assortment of things, but I will link everything in the description just like normal, and we will get started. Alrighty, here we go, official unboxing here. Obviously I have already opened this because I have tried these items on so that I can share them with you, but this was my exact order for this month. So we're going to start first with this really fun bodysuit. This is gorgeous. I love the detailing on this one. So this is a really soft fabric as well. Now I sized up to the medium in this one just because I tend to size up with bodysuits knowing that they're gonna be a really tight fit. I honestly think I probably needed the small in this. It was just a little bit too loose, like on some of these keyholes and these like the top area with all the cutout detailing. I feel like that kind of needs to be tight for it to look right. So I would have gotten this small if I were to do this over again, but I love the color of this. This would be a gorgeous date night top. You can layer with this really easily. It's a nice slim fabric on the sleeve as well. And this is one that you could carry into spring too. So I've also got some spring sneak peeks in here as well. Another random little piece, but I put this on with that outfit as well. I thought this was just so cute. This is a claw clip, but it's got a little bow on it and it's kind of this gauzy canvas type material. So I thought this would be really cute for your hair like half pulled up, or if you like doing like messy buns with claw clips. I just think this is kind of a cute, fun accessory. Okay, things are continually falling out of that box, so I went ahead and set that down and did this like a normal person. But moving into my favorite part, the thing I was the most excited about, this is the little belt bag. Now, we lovingly referred to these in the 90s as fanny packs. Yes, they're back, but I actually think they're pretty chic now and they just have a different style to them. But I was really thinking for mom life with a toddler that's going to be running around, hopefully this spring and summer, I need something just to like throw my keys in that's gonna be simple and not be hanging off my body. So I think this is gonna come in really handy, and I love the size of this. So this is by Madewell. It does come in a plain black. This is kind of like a blush nude color. So I will use this one a ton, and then it also comes in a color block. But this material is something that you could wipe off really easily, which I'm excited about. It has just the front zipper, and then it has a zipper on the top. And then this is fully adjustable here, and then it also has the little spot around the back so that you can pull this tight and it doesn't have like the string flapping down. So I feel like this is designed pretty well. I like the idea of throwing this over shorts or jeans or whatever, or doing them like with a t-shirt dress like I showed styled here. Also snagged this dress. This type of thing is one of my favorite things. I always feel like I'm buying tons of t-shirt dresses, especially once the weather starts getting warmer. This is just so nice to have. I really like the fit of this. It's a little bit unique. So it's kind of like a mineral wash. You can see the color and the fabric. It's a really nice thick fabric, so it's different than like the thin t-shirt dresses. And the fit on this is a little bit different. It is more of a maxi midi dress, but it has some pretty high slits here, especially I had this kind of pulled up and then tucked over the belt bag. So the slit goes up pretty high. If you do it that way, you can obviously pull it down a little bit too. It does have pockets on both sides. This also comes in a really fun yellow color for spring and summer. And this is the small in this. I would say this runs a little bit on the oversized side, so I would get your true size in this. These were not from this particular Nordstrom order, but I wanted to call them out anyways. So these are the sneakers I've had for a few months, I believe. And I have posted these on just like a community post. I don't know if I've shared them on an actual video, but these are really cute. They're great for now. You can definitely wear them in the warm weather as well. And I just think they are so cute and unique. They kind of have like a retro vibe to them. So this particular color is on sale right now. They also have these in plain white and a couple different color options as well. This denim jacket is also a new find for me. I really like the cropped fit. It's kind of unique. And I do have a discount code for this one. I'll put it in the description as well. But it is MIRRORXO15 for 15% off this one. It's already pretty affordable. I think with the discount, it's like $32. So great little layering piece to have. Here's a little winter to spring transition piece. Now I know this particular order, I'm including a lot of spring pieces here or things for when the weather warms up. This is kind of a tricky time of year. We live in the South, so weather is kind of all over the place. We've had lots of 65-degree weekends and we're in the middle of a snowstorm right now, so you never really know. But for me personally, I don't really like buying a ton of winter stuff in February just because I feel like by March, April, we're gonna be getting warmer and I wanna be able to get wear out of my things. So I'm kind of in that space of looking towards spring, but still wanting pieces that I could get some wear out of right now too. So this is one of those pieces that you could definitely layer with right now and do with boots like I styled in the video. It is a floral, so this will be really easy to do with some sandals or a flat of some kind in the spring as well. So this is from Topshop. I really like the detailing on this as well. It is a floral, but it's black, so just a little bit of a moodier floral, which I like. It's got a really fun detailing here on the neck. It's kind of like a lace detailing, button down, smocked on the waist, and then it's got fun ruffle at the bottom and some fun sleeves too. And the sleeves are sheer. And I have the, let me double check on size. I have the 6 in this. Couple pieces that would be great if you've got spring break vacation coming up, or if you're doing any sort of vacay to a warmer climate, this would be some fantastic options for that too. So these shoes are gorgeous. This is going to be a spring summer staple for me, I can already tell you. And these are incredibly comfortable. So this is just an off-white, really neutral slide. Very, very, very comfortable. They do come in a bunch of other colors, but for me, this color is one that I will wear over and over again. I really like, these can get wet as well, so you could do them as a beach slide or a pool slide, and I just think they're gonna be adorable come spring and summer. So I got my true size 7 in these. This is kind of an out-of-the-box piece for me. It's not something I would normally pick, but it caught my eye on the Nordstrom site. This is a Free People little tank bodysuit. I love, love, love the colors of this, the pink and purple together, right up my alley, so cute. I also really like the fit, so it's got a deep V-neck in the front with the little ties on the shoulder, but I love the back of this. So it's kind of got like a higher neckline on the back, a little bit slouchy once you get it on. Really gorgeous on, but let me tell you, as a friend, I have to tell you this, it does have lace on the bodysuit of this, which looks really pretty. But if you are not wearing something super high-waisted, I will tell you, to me, this almost looks like underwear. So just be aware of that. I prefer to do this with like a really high-waisted jean or a high-waisted skirt or something where this part isn't going to show, but that's just something that I didn't really think about when I was ordering it until I put it on, and I have the small in this. Another random little find, this is just a fun pair of sunglasses. I believe these are only $15. I'll slip them on for you, even though I showed them in the video too, but really like the shape of these. They're just kind of fun. If you need some, I like to have an extra pair that aren't like my most expensive pair of sunglasses that I keep in my car, so these might be great to have on hand. That was it for my recent Nordstrom order. I hope you had fun taking a peek and doing a little unboxing with me today. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. You can find all the links in the video description. We'll see you next time.